Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. I know you're wondering, what does she have now? Well, I have to say, I have a hot mess. Not quite sure what they're about. I got these cards. I knew they were going to be different. That's one reason why I wanted them. But I guess I never totally understood. Since I've gotten them, I have looked them up online, and I have to say, I'm none the wiser. I guess I probably maybe need a teenager to help me understand them. I'm not sure. They say that they're collector's cards, that there was a whole gaggle of folks out there that played this game, collected these cards. Not sure anything about it. So here is what the auction said about the cards. It's a bulk lot of UGO cards, count unknown. Well, I've not counted them either. But the UGO is YU-GI-OH. So I'm not positive I'm saying that right, but hopefully I'm at least pretty close. I've noticed that there are colors, different couple shades of green, some brown, some beigey, some rusty color. I see a blue, like a rosy mauvey purple. So are they decks? When I read these two right here when I sat down, like this one says reptile. Once this monster wraps itself around a victim, there is no escape. All right. I notice on them that there are different dots. Some of them have a lot of dots. Some of them have a few dots. Not sure what that's about. Then let's see if I can focus this in that you can see. Maybe. But on the bottom, there are 3 letters and then some numbers and then 3 more letters / some more numbers. Again, don't know. This one is what makes me think that it's a game because it says insect / effect. You can flip this card into face down defense position once per turn during your main phase. When this card is flipped summoned, destroy 1 monster on your opponent's side of the field. Okay. So that's what makes me think it's a game. So again, like I said, I'm assuming that the colors are decks. They're pretty interesting though. I gotta say, the artwork on them is beautiful. There are some of them that have metallic lettering, metallic in the picture. This is one of them. See how shiny? So again, I got them thinking for journals, little tuck things. But I'm not sure I'm going to be able to use all of these like that. They're fun, they're beautiful, and there's probably people out there that, still do collect them. I looked online, it looks like there are events around the world for people that still play this game, I guess, and collect these cards. So, as I did with the 70s cards, I'm going to offer these that if anyone collects them and you're missing a certain card or I don't know, you're interested in a few, let me know. We'll work something out. I'm not quite sure. There is a bunch of them here. I'd say there's probably at least a couple hundred. And I'll use them. The backs of them are all the same for the most part. I haven't seen any difference in them. So, you could always do something on that side as far as journaling and stuff is concerned. But again, I thought I'd share with you as I've said before, I like learning different things, seeing, different things that are out there and what other people's interests are. And they didn't cost me much. So, you spend this much on a cup of coffee at Starbucks. So, and I've got all this to play with now and sort and try to, who knows, I might be a master at it one day. I doubt it. But thanks for coming by and looking at my hot mess. And as I've asked before now, share my channel with your friends. Since I am kind of starting off and, not the typical YouTuber, I guess, I would appreciate anything you could do to, help me grow and get the word out there about this nutty woman. I would appreciate it. And by all means, please give me a thumbs up. I know this is a little weird, but, we all are. There's always something about us that somebody doesn't like or whatever. So let's show them that all of us weirdos, we have something to say. Anyway, thank you very much, and I will see you all next time, I hope. Bye.